In this video, I will show you how to add background music to your video in video editing software. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how best you use Camtasia video editing software. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to my Camtasia video editing software workspace. The very first thing you will want to do is to make sure we head over to our media library right here. Then we have to make sure we select the music or the audio file. Then we drag it to the timeline just like so. So I'm taking it to the background of the video. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I cut this music to be in line with my video. How do we do that? Next thing we want to do is to move our playhead. So we move our playhead to the last part of the video. Then I'm going to press letter S on my keyboard, and I'll click on the rest and make sure I press the delete key on my keyboard. And then I'll go back to the music file in the timeline. How we can reduce the music sound so that the sound of the music does not go beyond the sound of the video. So what we need to do is to come to the audio clip right here or the music clip right here. And then when you click on the music clip, make sure you hover your mouse around the stroke. Then your mouse is going to turn to arrow, just like upper arrow and lower arrow. Next thing you need to do is to simply drag it to the bottom. This allows you to reduce the percentage of the audio volume in a simple manner. So take it down a little bit. Everything depends on how you want the music to be sound in the background of your video. Once you're satisfied with the volume level of the music sound, next thing you can do is to simply click on your playhead here and listen to the music and see if the music is much louder than the audio in the video. So basically, this is how you can add music to your background video in Camtasia video editing software. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.